Have you ever had snow ice cream? You may be curious or even a little disgusted, but this winter tradition has been around for a long time and it tastes great. I'm going to show you 5 different ways to make snow ice cream. The first way is the original recipe. The starting ingredients for any type of snow ice cream are 4 cups fresh snow, 1 cup milk, half cup sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. First, you start with your 4 cups of fresh snow. Next, add the 1 cup milk, then the half cup of sugar, and finally the half teaspoon of vanilla, and stir it all together. This is the part where you can get creative. You can add any food coloring and toppings of your choice. The snow will thin out. To add thickness, add 2 more cups of snow. And there you have it, a perfect winter treat for the whole family. The second way is chocolate snow. It's made with the same starting ingredients. Then once you have that, add chocolate syrup, or you can add cocoa powder. Then add some chocolate chips for the topping. It makes the perfect snack for chocolate lovers. The third way is strawberry snow. You start with the original ingredients and then add strawberry syrup and some sugar sprinkles. You end up with a pretty pink treat. The fourth way is for people who miss breakfast or just love pancakes. It's the maple caramel snow. You get your starting ingredients, add some maple syrup and stir. Then add some caramel syrup. It may look like mashed potatoes and gravy, but it tastes sweet. The fifth and final way is for people who like a little bit of fruit with their desserts. Once you get your starter ingredients mixed up, pour some apple cinnamon drizzle, mix, and add some cut up apples and some sprinkles. It makes a great snow day treat. So the next time there's a snow day, grab some household ingredients and make your own snow ice cream.